everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on TesterUp account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in TesterUp.com in the search box. Press enter on your keyboard to end up on the official website from where you'll need to log into your TesterUp account using your credential. After signing into the account, click on the settings button appearing at the top of the screen. Under the Your Settings tab, scroll all the way down and click on Change Password. Now, enter the current password you are using for your TesterUp account in the first text box. On the next field, type in the new password you would like to set for the accounts. Confirm the new password by typing it again in the next field. Once both of your passwords matches, click on Change Password Now and you will be able to change your password for your TesterUp account. Next time while logging into the account, you'll now need to enter the newly created password. That's how easily you can change your password or update your security password on TesterUp. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.